Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are covering the news for today's. We'll be covering up fixtures, the next upcoming matches in Premier League and La Liga, and some results, new news for different clubs, everything which is official, the rumors, and everything. So let's start. So the first match on the list is Wolves versus Tottenham. Tottenham will be visiting Wolves now after winning the first match of their campaign against Manchester City. They are off to the incredible start. Nuno and the boys have kicked off the season very strongly after winning against Manchester City, so they'd be straight up looking for 3 points again. I think they'd go with the same lineup which they led against City. Nuno would go with the same lineup because they clinched a very good win. I still think Kane won't play since he's in talks with many other top clubs for a move, and also is back from holiday, so he's still training. I think still won't be in the squad for the match against Wolves. Now, after this, we got Southampton versus Manchester United and Arsenal versus Chelsea. Now, Southampton versus United, I think, would be a easy game for Manchester United, even if they are away. We'd be looking probably Sancho making his debut for Manchester United club. United are off to a great start as they smashed Leeds, in which Bruno scored a hat trick. Pogba provided 4 assists, so they are looking crazy right now. However, it won't be easy game for Arsenal against Chelsea as Arsenal lost Brentford in their opening game of the season. They lost 2-0 to Brentford, and they didn't show any proper threat from the attack, and their defense was in shambles. Their midfield was invisible. But then again, this won't be easy game for Chelsea as Arsenal have confirmed Martin Odegaard. He's the great player and would bring so much qualities to that midfield, and Arsenal need that. On the other hand, Tuchel has confirmed that Lukaku is also ready to play, so we could be watching two new faces in the clubs. We could be watching Lukaku leading the lineup against Arsenal, and we could see Martin Odegaard in the heart of midfield of Arsenal against Chelsea. With that, we could also be watching Serie A starting since Inter won Scudetto last season. So yeah, Serie A starting again. Juventus versus Udinese will be the first match. We could also see Ronaldo heading the team. They would be looking for a revenge. They would go for the trophy and probably Champions League too. So yeah, Serie A is starting tomorrow. From tomorrow, the first match will be Juve and Udinese. With that, let's talk about some of the results today. The first one was City absolutely smashed Norwich. They got the clean sheet and absolutely balled. Pep played very beautiful football against Norwich. The system was so fluid. They played very good and they just smashed Norwich. Jack Grealish scored on his debut, followed by goals of Aymeric Laporte, Riyad Mahrez, and Raheem Sterling. So the boys smashed out. Liverpool, on the other hand, also won against Burnley. Van Dijk was very good. We can see him now being in the shape yet again after his horrible ACL injury. The goals were scored by, of course, Jota and Sadio Mane. So we are seeing Liverpool back again, and the Tsimikas, the left back of Liverpool, is also playing some very good football. We also watched Barcelona drawing against Athletic Club, and bro, they are really struggling without Messi. The only goal scorer for them was Depay, and let me tell you, I'm the Barcelona fan and I watched the whole 90 minutes. My club, Barcelona, struggled against Athletic Bilbao, and I'm not saying like Bilbao are a small club or they don't play good football. They play really good football. But come on, man, it's start of the season and you're drawing just your second game. The scorers were Depay from Barcelona and Inigo Martinez scoring for Athletic Bilbao. So they drew the game, however, they played horrible. So guys, yeah, that's it. That's the only news I could give you all. Lukaku is back in Chelsea. Odegaard has been confirmed by Arsenal that he'd be in the lineup for the match against Chelsea. Barcelona drew. City absolutely smashed Norwich. Liverpool played some good football. We saw Thiago. We saw their new left back Tsimikas. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right, but we saw him ball today. So yeah, this is just it. I'd end my video now. So if you guys really enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, like my content, because you guys don't need to download some football apps and everything. You just can turn on my notice, and I'll give you whole latest news that what's happening in the world of football. I'll bring you upcoming fixtures for the teams, that what are the fixtures that are upcoming, and what were the results today, yesterday, and yeah, and what were the rumors, the transfers, and everything. So yeah, guys, peace out.